Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that is a 67 Chevelle that's looking absolutely beautiful. You see that 427 badge there below the SS? Yeah, she's got a big block. Looking beautiful, man. All the chrome looks good. All the aluminum and the grill's all polished up, looking sweet. And then that teal color is just knocking it out of the park, man. One of the really cool things about this color is when you go to a car show, there's gonna be red ones, there's gonna be black ones, there's gonna be white ones. You're not gonna see another one this color, just about guaranteed. If you do, there'll only be one there, man. As you look down the side of it, she is just absolutely gorgeous. The wheels are looking sweet. The door fitment's looking sweet. You can see all those reflections in the paint looking sweet. The way the door fits back here on the quarter, lined up real nice. Door's just maybe just a tiny bit proud of the quarter. And then look how smooth that operates. Door jamb's nice and clean. The door panel's looking like it's brand new. The armrest looks new. All the knobs and the handles look new. She is got a manual transmission in her. All the upholstery on the seats look like it's brand new. The seat belts in the back. The headliner's looking good. The dome light's working. The dash pad, the dash itself, all the chrome looking sweet. We got a nice 3-pack of gauges there underneath the dash. She is just one beautiful car. 67 may be the hottest year. I know 70 probably takes a nice close second, but 67 is definitely one of the favorites for sure. Grab this key and we're gonna pop open the trunk. I always take a look at all the trim and all the chrome back here. You can see how nice and clean all that is. Of course, we got the 427 emblem underneath the SS over here also, right below the keyhole here. Then it's got a real faint metallic in it, which is just looking sweet. I guess I put the key in upside down. One nice thing about there only being one key, you can't be wrong. Look at that trunk floor. Isn't that beautiful? All the finish in there looking gorgeous. The wheel wells look nice. The back sides of the quarters are looking sweet. The gutter system around the trunk opening is all nice and clean. We got brand new rubber seal on there. Then the paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid's looking good. See, they took the time to take the latch off, top and bottom, before they did any work. Now, one of the things, you know, sometimes you don't even have to open the deck lid, but if you feel this edge right here, this is nice, clean metal right here. That is one of the first things to go on a lot of these cars because the water would roll down here, get underneath this chrome strip, and then just sit there and rot that edge out. So that's really a nice thing to check out on every car. Really doesn't matter what brand of car it is, but definitely these Chevelles, the GTOs. You see all the reflections here looking good. The door fitment here is beautiful. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment whatsoever. That means we own this 67, so you know we checked it out before we laid our money out. Then the first thing we do to every vehicle is put them up on the lift, we inspect them, and then we take pictures, and we finish up this video on the bottom side. All right, it is 67 Chevelle time. Let's take this baby for a ride. Big block 4-speed. Playing chicken with this guy in the Ford. He got out of my way. Tell you what, you want to talk about cool? Now, when I was a kid, I know you guys have heard this story before. Dad and I used to drive about 30 miles each way to the shop. And we had a 66 with a 6-cylinder in it. We used to call it Old Bessie. We drove that thing back and forth every day, baby. That was our daily driver. There's somebody giving us a thumbs up. So this car obviously reminds me of that one, but we got way more than 6 cylinders than this baby. We got big block power with a 4-speed. I believe that one had old slush box or cruise-o-matic transmission, 6-cylinder, the old 2-speed. Tell you what, this thing is sweet. We can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Looks like we got us a traffic jam here. Tell you what, this is about like the expressway. Now everything on the dash is looking sweet. All the gauges are looking good. We got a 3-pack of gauges underneath the dash. We got an aftermarket radio in there. All the chrome on the dash is looking sweet. Tell you what, the teal collar on this thing is very, very cool too, man. Don't have to worry about anybody else having one looking like your car when you hit the car show. We got all kind of traffic. If you can't tell, it's go home time here in Michigan. Everybody in the industrial park is getting ready to go home here. So am I. Let's go. 4-speed big block time. Now we're going to take it back to the shop, put it up in the air, check out the bottom side. We're going to get the hood up, check out the big block. We're going to show you everything you need to see. Also, make sure you share this video with your buddies. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on the web. Check us out on Facebook. We're always posting new cars, guys. So stick with us. We're gonna put this one in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the 67 Camaro now, and man, it is shiny under here, man. Look at that tank. That is stainless steel, all polished up, looking good. And then the exhaust system, what a beautiful job they did on it. The exhaust system also looks like it's stainless, looking sweet. And we got a gigantic sway bar back here. Look at the size of that baby. Now we do have a 12-bolt rear end, 323 gear in there. It is posi. We got aftermarket upper control arms there. The lower control arms are also aftermarket. All the bushings look like they're new. We got disc brakes out back here. Mufflers look like they're stainless also, and look at the paint job on the bottom of the floors here. Just beautiful. We got a brand new aluminum fuel line going front to back. We got a brand new brake line going front to back. It's got a Y pipe in here, and they've used all these band clamps, so if you ever have to take this down, that's real nice. Stainless steel headers also. Those are long tube headers. We got a T10 4-speed. We got an explosion-proof bell housing. We got disc brakes up front. The lower control arms are all painted up looking good. I see brand new bright and shiny bushings. I see what looks like brand new ball joints also. A lot of the steering gear looks like it's been replaced. The front frame horns are nice and straight. I mean, just everything about this thing's looking beautiful under here. We got a good looking chrome on the front bumper. And then we got tires and wheels. We got some polished up aluminum American Racing. These are Coopers, and let's see if we can find the size. There it is. 215/70 15s up front, and look at that beautiful teal paint, man. And then that rocker cover, that's looking sweet. And then the bottom side of the rocker, you need to check that out on every car. Bottom side of the front fender here too is another spot to look. And then we've got beautiful paint on the frame. Then out back here, we got more rubber on the ground, sticking some of that horsepower to the ground. 275/60 15s back here. And then you can see those drilled and slotted rotors. And we do have disc brakes out back. Well, let's get under the hood and see what's making the horsepower. All right, under the hood here, we got big block power. This is a 427 with some gorgeous aluminum valve covers on it. Great looking air cleaner there. We got power brakes. We got what looks like a brand new power booster, brand new proportioning valve, looks like a brand new master cylinder. Also looks like a new alternator. It does have power steering. The reservoir for the power steering's over here. We got great paint on that motor, looking sweet. All the hoses look good. We got GM markings on the hoses. The firewall's in good shape there. The inner fenders are looking good. Just everything about this thing is beautiful. You can see those stainless steel headers there. Looks like we've got a stock appearing distributor back there also. The coil's mounted right back there in a stock position. We got nice paint on the bottom side of the hood. We got new fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood here. I mean, everything about this thing is beautiful, guys. She's a big block. She's a 4-speed. She's a 67 Chevelle. Let's give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.